Whales are once again scooping up Bitcoin and some altcoins, but why are altcoins still crashing? If this cycle is just like last, this is exactly when altcoins will peak. This is Your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so no one drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, is not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Today's YouTube news is sponsored by Morpheus Labs. Morpheus Labs offers multi-chain, low-code solutions for Web2 firms to enter Web3 markets. They provide you with a smooth and efficient way to get your Web3 presence. This comes with a full suite of tools that offer blockchain as a service, ready to use and easy to deploy. Web2 firms can now easily transition from the ground up into a fully functioning Web3 project, including Morpheus AI-powered automation and smart contracts. The best place to buy their Mine token is on KuCoin or Mexi, and for more information, just follow their Twitter with a link down below. Fed Chair Jerome Powell just spoke at the FOMC meeting yesterday, and the interest rates are remaining unchanged, indicating only one rate cut this year. At the same time, Bitcoin whales have pounced on more Bitcoin amid the recent price slump. Bitcoin retraced the prior day's gains on June 13th as the markets braced for the next round of United States inflation data. Excitement had built thanks to lower than expected readings from the CPI data, while the Federal Reserve's meeting on interest rates kept policy predictably restrictive. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's accompanying commentary, however, appeared to spook risk assets as he reiterated that interest rate cuts, sooner rather than later, were not yet being discussed. Markets reduced bets of a cut at the Fed's September meeting by around 10% per data from CME Group's FedWatch tool. TED Talks Macro reacted on X saying, today's FOMC definitely more hawkish than anticipated, but Bitcoin whales took full advantage of the Bitcoin price slump on June 11th, accumulating a combined 20,600 Bitcoin worth $1.38 billion. According to blockchain analytics firm CryptoQuant, it was the largest inflow day for Bitcoin whales since February 28th, when the spot Bitcoin ETFs were barely 6 weeks old and Bitcoin approached a new all-time high. TON has been making its name in the market for quite a while, and I'm sure you might have noticed. TON daily active addresses have surpassed Ethereum. Why is this happening, and is TON going to continue the momentum? TON, or the Open Network, the blockchain network linked to the popular messaging app Telegram, has seen more demand than the leading blockchain Ethereum since the beginning of June. According to on-chain data provider Artemis, the number of unique addresses that have completed at least one transaction on TON coin has exceeded that of Ethereum for 10 out of the last 12 days. In fact, on June 3rd, the daily count of unique addresses on TON coin surged to a year-to-high date of 568,300, surpassing Ethereum's 351,000 by 62%. And on May 17th, TON coin's daily transaction count rallied to a year-to-date high of 9 million. On the same day, the number of unique transactions completed on Ethereum totaled 1.1 million. In a post on X, research firm Delphi Digital referred to this as a flippening. According to Delphi Digital, the surge in daily active users on TON coin over Ethereum has been fueled by Telegram's 900 million user base. And you can trade TON on CoinEx as well. CoinEx has a great new offer out there for new users. Sign up today, complete the 4 tasks, and earn up to 100 USDT added to your account. You can trade spot, futures, and margin with CoinEx, so check it out with the link down below. Is now the time to get into altcoins? Now that Bitcoin has broken all-time highs, now that the halving is behind us, historically this is where we should see massive gains in altcoins. Miles Deutscher on X shared, in both prior cycles, altcoins have peaked exactly 546 days post-halving. If this cycle follows the same pattern, this would suggest an altcoin peak in October 2025. As I mentioned in my last thread, for a variety of reasons, cycle acceleration, macro factors, etc., I think we peak earlier than this. And admittedly, only looking at 2 data points is too simplistic, but the point still stands that we're probabilistically still early in the cycle from an altcoin point of view. In a thread from a few days earlier, he wrote, at first glance, you'd think crypto sentiment would be euphoric right now. Bitcoin is nearing all-time highs, meme coins are exploding, and celebrities are shilling crypto again, but it's far from it. If you dig a little deeper below the surface, it's not hard to figure out why. Most retail doesn't hold large amounts of Bitcoin, they're in alts, and alts have significantly underperformed thus far this cycle. Others/Bitcoin is now lower than it was in October 2023 or 8 months ago. Others refers to the total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 coins, and this picture paints 1,000 words. And so far this cycle, only 8 coins have broken their previous all-time highs versus Bitcoin since the fall of FTX. We can also see that crypto YouTube views are disproportionately lagging the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin at 70K in 2021, 4 million views a day. Bitcoin price at 70K in 2024, 800,000 views a day. This demonstrates that retail simply isn't interested yet, likely a reflection of altcoin underperformance. The altcoins total 3 are still 70% away from their previous highs compared to Bitcoin, which is near its all-time high. These charts make the discrepancy in price performance crystal clear. Since Bitcoin began its strong leg up from 27K in October, alts haven't had a sustained rally. The summary below describes the altcoin market phase over the last 3 quarters. This has been a Bitcoin narrative-led cycle. The narrative that propelled Bitcoin to new all-time highs was the spot ETF narrative. Although Bitcoin and altcoins are interlinked, there hasn't been a strong broader market catalyst yet like Bitcoin has had. Specific narratives have significantly outperformed, with majors lagging. Memes, AI, and RWA have been the clear leaders so far this cycle. If you haven't been well capitalized in these sectors, you likely felt FOMO and the strong temptation to rebalance. Dilution is the highest it's ever been. There were nearly 1 million new crypto tokens created in May. That's 2x the total ever created on Ethereum between 2015 and 2023. Crazy. And this graph excludes Solana. The data over there is mind-blowing. Token unlocks are also flooding the market. Right now, there's $200 million of unlocks per day, and the data below is majors only. This is new sell pressure that's constantly suppressing the market, and the more tokens that continuously launch, the more unlocks flood the market. So to summarize, this has been a Bitcoin narrative-led cycle. Only a very select few narratives have performed. New tokens are launching at a rapid pace. Dilution is the highest it's ever been. It's not surprising that altcoins aren't performing yet. Creta World has kicked off their Super Board event today. Creta is a Web3 entertainment company focused on developing and publishing games with sustainable blockchain economies. Creta provides a range of games, and this includes new versions of popular franchises and unique multiverse worlds where players can explore and socialize. It also has a Creta marketplace where users can find NFT assets based on famous IPs or create their own. The highlight of Creta is its intuitive game creation engine. With just a few clicks, users can design their own games. And they just shared on X, play Super Board to earn some Creta. 100 participants will be selected at random to play the game. First, join the Discord. Second, submit the Google form. And third, watch the result in Board Games channel on June 20th. Submissions end on June 17th. The winners are announced on June 19th, and the game starts on June 20th. Check out Creta World and their Super Board event today with the link down below. The founder of Curve Finance, Michael Egorov, got liquidated on several multi-million-dollar positions, causing a 25% drop in the price of Curve. The token's price plummeted 25% on June 13th, with losses reaching up to 30% at one point. Look on-chain reports that Egorov's liquidations are due to high-stake positions backed by Curve as collateral, adding that the Curve Finance founder has over 111 million Curve tokens used as collateral and more than $20 million in debt across several platforms. In response to Curve's sharp decline, Frax Finance said in an X post that there's zero bad debt on FraxLend due to our partial liquidation, DDR, isolated lending design. According to data from blockchain intelligence firm Arkham Intelligence, 3 of Egorov's accounts constitute over 90% of the borrowed Curve USD on the protocol. Meanwhile, centralized exchanges are seeing a surge in Curve deposits, and their Curve balances are reaching an all-time high, increasing by 57%, as pointed out by CryptoQuant's founder, Kim Young-ju. Founded in 2020, Curve Finance raised millions from its backers, aimed at facilitating the efficient trading of stablecoins through its automated market maker platform.